Hi guys, welcome to the 7 Minutes Challenge. Delicious meals ready in 7 minutes or less. Please watch till the end for a chance to win some cool prizes. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So today we're making mug cake. Let's go through the ingredients. We got here 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 5 tablespoons of custard sugar, 2 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We also got a few drops of vanilla. Now let's start putting together the ingredients. So we got the flour, the sugar, cocoa powder, the egg, the milk, vegetable oil, a few drops of vanilla. Now we're just going to mix that together. Now we're going to transfer it to the cup. And we're going to microwave that for about 2 minutes. The mug cake is now ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. If you have a recipe that you want to share, please let us know. We are giving away some cool prizes every month. In the meantime, take care and see you in the next one.